Hello everybody, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine and good, and you're welcome to another video on AKWITTI Talks. If you're new to AKWITTI Talks, you're very much welcome, and we're glad you're here. To follow on what we have been looking at so far, you can just go to YouTube and type there AKWITTI Talks to follow up and to see a lot more of our fantastic videos. We are going to be starting a new series on Canva, and in this video I'm going to be introducing you to Canva. Let's get right to it. Alright, so let's get right into the introduction. So first, you need to go to your Google and go to the search bar and type in Canva. Then you go to the second link that just says Canva. If you want to log in, that means you already have an account with Canva. Just type in your email and your password. But if you have never, please feel free to go to the sign up button and sign up. So I have an account, so I'm going to start typing, and it automatically opens for me. So in this home page, there are some things that you need to know. Like for example, ideas. Canva gives you ideas on what to create. And this is the search bar in Canva. I can just type some things there. Now you know it's Valentine's Day period. I can type Valentine, and it will give me ideas that I can use for my Valentines. Now, another thing you need to know is create a design. Now, create a design will give you, it's like ideas, but when you click on it, it will open the size and the way it will look like. So, we have video, A4 document, presentation, poster, Instagram post, logo, flyer, yearbook, so many others. Now, you also have here in this blue square, custom size. Now, this means that you'll be able to create your own size. So if you click on it, you can see width and height, and be able to pick the length, the metric system. So if you want to do pixels, inches, millimeter, or centimeter. So we're mostly going to be using centimeter. So you can say your width can be 54 and your height can be 8. So when you now click on a create new design, it will open in a new tab and to show you the way it is. So let's see how it is. So as you can see, this is the way it will look like. This is the way like a banner. That's how 54 times 8 centimeter will look like a banner. So let's continue with the tour. Here you have recent designs. What do we mean by recent designs? Recent designs are the designs that you have created, designs that you have done. That's your recent design. Then we have your projects. Those are what you have done, and if you want to change it. Then we have shared with you. That is, maybe there is a team, which I'll go to very soon, and then the team is sharing what the person in the team has created. That one is shared with you. That's what the person has shared to you. Then trash. All of you should know what trash is, what you don't need. So if you delete a Canva design, it will go to trash. Luckily, there's time, so in case you want to recover it. So at the time, you don't just trash. I think around 31 days that you have to, so for it to remain in trash. So after that time, it goes out and it's totally trashed. Then we have team. Create a team. Now a team is like a group, like your WhatsApp group. That's a team. So people will join using their email address, and they will create stuff which people can see, and they will be the ones to choose if they want it to be viewed only or edit. So if it's viewed only, when they click on it, they'll only be able to see it. They cannot do anything to it. But if they click on edit for when they are finished, everyone will see and be able to do something to it. So Canva Pro. In all the videos I have been uploading, Kahoot and all the rest, we have been saying Pro, Premium, Pro, Premium. What's that? You need to pay for all the new good stuff, all the premium stuff, all the experts, big stuff. But you need to pay big money. So that it should be all. So in the next video, we'll be looking at using a Canva design, and we will be creating a Valentine's Day poster. Till then, I'll see you next time. Bye.